Welcome to this Frisbee tutorial. In this video, we'll show you how to create hosted pages and hosted page products. Before we start, I would like to show you an example of how a finished hosted page could look. Here's an example of what a hosted page could look like when offering multiple plans, allowing customers to choose the one that best fits their needs during sign-up. This setup is particularly beneficial for companies with tiered subscriptions, such as Silver, Gold, or Platinum plans. With hosted pages, it is easy to generate a link for further use in the sign-up process of your customers on your website. Please note that you need to have at least one plan created before setting up a hosted page. If you haven't created a plan yet, check out our video, Create a Subscription Plan, for guidance. But without further ado, let's get started. Before you can create a hosted page, you need to set up a hosted page product. To do this, log into your Frisbee account, click on the Configurations button, and then find and select the Hosted Page Product option. On the Hosted Page Products page, you'll see an overview of all the products you have created. This page also allows you to edit any product for your hosted page in the future. Remember, you need to create a unique product for each plan you intend to use on your hosted pages. To get started with your product, click on the button New. First, you need to give your product a name. This name will be visible to customers and will override the plan's default name. As you enter the product name, a handle will be automatically generated, which you can edit if needed. Next, you have the option to display an icon next to your plan name on the hosted page. To do this, click the checkbox and visit the linked site to find an icon you want to use. Once you find the desired icon, insert its name and choose the icon type. Note that this step is optional. You can also add a description for the product, which will be shown on the sign-up page. This step is also optional. Additionally, you can add a badge to the product, such as customer favorite or similar text. You can also choose to highlight the product, making it stand out if you have multiple products on your hosted page. This step is also optional. Next, you need to select the subscription plan to be used for this product. Once chosen, a description of the plan's details will be displayed. You can either use the default plan configuration or customize the settings, such as adjusting the price or trial period. For this example, we will use the default plan settings. If you want, you can allow your customers to choose the start date. After that, you can add any add-ons you have created to your product. If you choose to include add-ons, they will be automatically added to the customer's subscription when they sign up. You can also include additional costs or discounts. Next, you can create a list of benefits for this product. The benefits will be listed on the product in the hosted page. Finally, you can choose between using the default sign-up fields or customizing the information you require from your customers during sign-up. Typically, the overwrite field setting is used, as not all fields may be relevant to you. Each predefined field offers three options: mandatory, which compels customers to enter information; optional, granting customers the choice to provide information; and hidden, which hides the field entirely. If your business needs custom fields of information in the hosted page, you can enable the custom field configuration. You are now prepared to submit your product. Click the Submit button to proceed. You are now ready to create a hosted page. To do so, you can either click the Hosted Page button at the top of this page or click on the Configurations button, and then find and select the Hosted Page option. Within the Hosted Pages section, you'll find an overview of all the hosted pages you've already created. This interface also grants you the ability to edit any of these pages at any point in the future. To begin creating a new hosted page, simply click on the New button. To begin, provide a name for your new hosted page. This name will remain internal and won't be visible to customers. As you input the name, a handle will be automatically generated, which you can modify if necessary. Next, define the URLs to which your customers will be redirected upon successful sign-up, or if they choose to cancel the sign-up process. Then, choose the language your customers will encounter on your hosted page and select your preferred color scheme for the page. Within the Payment section, you can specify the payment options you'd like to offer your customers. Please note that you can only choose from the payment methods you've activated in the Payment Methods section under Checkout Management. Next, you must choose at least one of the hosted page products you've created. Click the Add Product button, select the desired product, and click Confirm. If necessary, repeat the process to add additional products. Keep in mind that on your hosted page, the products will appear in the order you select them. You can easily rearrange the order by dragging them around as needed. Once you're content with the hosted page setup, finalize the process by clicking Submit. You've successfully created a hosted page that you can effortlessly link to on your website or across social media platforms. Simply copy the assigned link. If you'd like to preview the finished page before, just click on this icon. Congratulations, you are done creating your hosted page. Feel free to create more if needed. Use our other videos as assistance. If you get stuck, just let us know. We're happy to help. Have a great day.